of Port Royal is our location for this week's episode of Pree Dis. I'm your host, Chrissy, and I want to thank Jeremy for holding it down for the past 2 weeks. Without further delay, let's get right into the show. Follow me to Port Royal. Had the hits and the crowd loved every minute of his performance. It all went down at the Appleton Signature Nights in Constant Spring. We have the performances and the interviews.
Let's dance in style, let's dance so wild. Heaven can wait, we only watching the skies, hoping for the best. Let's dance in style, let's dance so wild. Heaven can wait, we only watching the skies.
Describe the vibe tonight.
Well, trust me, it is a nice vibe. You know, say from we anyone up on stage and Frisco Kid on stage, you can't expect nothing better but the best. You understand me? The energy, the vibes, the love, the unity, the strength, the brotherly. You know, me I tell you, say it was a nice vibes tonight.
So you've been doing music since the mid-1980s. What keeps you inspired? What keeps you doing music?
Because you have to live it. If you live something, you have to do it every day and do it with a passion and just do it with love and, you know, best of your ability, you know.
What are your plans for the holiday season? You're working or you're hanging out with family?
I'm a workaholic, you know, because tomorrow I head off to London. I'm in Manchester Saturday night. Sunday I'm in Scotland. I'm a rolling stone.
The crowd tonight for Appleton Estate Signature Series, how you feel?
Great vibe, you know, long time them not see me and, you know, I can't come just sing one song and say dash, you know what I mean? I have to sing for them because that's how they know me, you know what I mean?
Well, Appleton Estate Signature Night, you know, it's our annual thing. We've been doing it since 2016, and it's how we reflect the marriage of rum, Appleton Estate rum, and reggae music. So we'll continue to do that, and we've done, this is the fourth one so far, and we have one big one to go, and that will be in St. Anne.
What do you think has made the series so well received by the public?
You know what? It's the best of Jamaica. that we really feature. We have the best gold drum, Appleton Estate, the range, and we really look for the best talent in reggae music, in Jamaican music. The entire series is a partnership with our accounts, our style bars, and what we want to do is take a great experience to them, because this is where Appleton Estate is consumed typically all the time. So we want to we want to enhance the experience. So we take in a great experience like the Signature Night Series, the Appleton Estate Signature Night Series, and what's very critical for us is, one, you have to have space. It's very important that the venue, the location can accommodate our patrons, because we know people love the series and people would actually travel around for it.
Any big changes to the series for 2020?
Oh, you asked me to let the cat out of the bag, but to be honest, we've been doing this, as I mentioned, since 2016. It's been really exciting. We've been delivering great, exciting moments, great cocktails, great Appleton Estate deals, and I really, really hope that we have cemented that Appleton Estate rum and reggae music is perfectly married, right? So two authentic Jamaican products. So will we continue? Yes, we will continue.
I hope you enjoyed those classic hits from singer Wayne Wonder. Up next, Khxos talks about his new single Tambourine, and Kip Rich drops a new video. Pree Dis returns after the break. We're going to Light Key, I hope. Popeye the Sailor Man. I need some spinach.
Our spirit is proud. Our spirit stands strong. Our spirit is pure. Our spirit is in song. Our spirit is at the beginning. Our spirit is there at the end. Our spirit is born in Jamaica. Our spirit will always contend. Ray and Neville, our spirit.
We are top man, we take charge. Magnum we drink and we are shell down bars. Blast like a star with some gallopers. Overdo it, we take it too far. Take charge, take charge.
We are hot gal, we set the trend. Magnum we drink for the top man them. Wine with the style, no stop from spend. Hot blend, back bend, and take charge, take charge. Ready for the video, we are prime time. Anywhere you see we go, we are headline. We back, we talk, we own waistline. Cut the cut, no, we ready for the wine. Take charge, take charge.
You know hide with the Magnum buckle. Slide and a glide and a bust big tackle. Big sound a rise and the whole place rockle. No, we turn up in a sack. Take charge, take charge. Overdo it, we take it too far.
Wine with the style. Wine with the style.
Magnum tonic wine for the real stardust. Take charge, take charge. Magnum.